Hi, my name's John from Web Themes, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Kadence Child theme in just 4 simple steps. So what we have here is a brand new WordPress install, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the left to Appearance and then click Themes. Then we're going to click Add New at the top. And in the search box on the right, we're going to put Kadence. And the one we're going to pick is the one in the middle there, the blue one with the word Kadence, and we're going to click Install. But we're not going to activate it. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to upload your new Kadence Child theme that you have on your computer. And to do that, we're going to go to the top and we're going to click Upload Theme. And we're going to go looking for that theme on your computer. We're going to choose Upload and Install now. And this time we are going to click Activate. The third step, we are going to install the Kadence Starter Template. So on the blue box here, we're going to click Install Kadence Starter Template. And on the 3 logos here, we're going to click the one for Web Themes. And then this is the theme that you've just uploaded, and this is the Hannah theme. We're going to click that, and then we're going to click Start Importing. And what this is going to do is it's going to install all the necessary plugins that it requires for this theme, and also it's going to import all the demo content for your new theme. And that's it. And when we click Finish, your site is up and ready to go.